Relatively few species of mangrove worldwide, only 54, found around coasts according to their varying salt tolerance. Mangrove forests contain many other plant species, such as the vines that the langurs like to eat. All are capable of tolerating extreme salinity and minimal levels of oxygen in the water and soil. Anatomical and physiological adaptations to combat the salt and lack of oxygen are clear to see. Some trees seem to rise on stilts, while others are surrounded by small columns known as pneumatophores. These specialized exposed roots